My name is Ayla, and I work on the Profound Logic support team. Are you looking to get started with Profound API, a Profound Logic Node.js-based solution specifically for developers? Then you're in the right place. This video will show you how to install Profound API onto the IBMI. Profound API is part of the Profound.js tech stack. In Profound.js 6, Profound.js and Profound API are separate from Profound UI, meaning that users who are only interested in developing new applications with Profound.js or APIs with Profound API do not need to install Profound UI. Profound.js and Profound UI can still be used together, but that is now optional. Let me walk you through the itinerary for this video now. I'll start off by showing you how to open a command line and create a directory that you'll be installing Profound.js into. I'll walk you through the installation commands, the completion, and the launch, and then show you how to start building your API file. Now let's get into it. A note before moving forward. This video assumes that you have Node.js already set up and installed on your system. If you do not already have that set up, then please use this documentation, Installing Prerequisites, which I'll be linking in the video description below to get that set up for yourself. Now let's move on. To get started in the installation process, you can use the 5250 green screen with the command call qp2term to get to a paste shell environment and start the installation process. Or if you are more comfortable SSHing into the system, you could use something like the Windows PowerShell or PuTTY. In this example, I'll be using PuTTY. To do that, I'm going to open up the PuTTY configuration and type in my host name and click Open. Directions on how to install PuTTY into your system will be linked in the video description below. Then I'm going to use my IBMI username and password to log in. And from here, I can start the installation process. Now I'm going to go into my root directory using the command cd // and within the root directory, I'm going to use the command mkdir to create a folder named Profound.js. Now that I've created the folder Profound.js, I'm going to cd into that folder. And I'm going to run the command npm install Profound.js. Now to complete the installation process, I'm going to run the command node complete_install.js. This is going to start the installation prompts. For this example, I'm going to use a unique port to my system. It won't work if it is shared with another port, so you're going to want to make sure that you provide a unique port for your installation. For this example, I'm going to use port 17568. And I want to install the connector library. We encourage you to install this. It will not hurt performance, so you can leave the default yes and just click enter. And for the Profound.js connector library name, same as the instance name for clarity and consistency. So I'm going to keep this as Profound.js. So I'm going to click enter because the default is Profound.js. And Profound.js connector library IASP, I'm going to click enter on this as well. Now create or replace server instance configuration. For starting and ending commands, yes. Server instance name, Profound.js. I'm going to keep this as Profound.js, so click enter. Specify CSID. If you are living in the United States, it will be 37, but if you are living in another country, it will be a different number, so you'll need to check for that. Lastly, the Node.js path for the instance. This path is going to be left the same, so I'm going to click enter. And for auto start, I do not want it to auto start. For this example, I'm going to use no and enter. Integrate with separate Profound UI instances. No, I'm going to leave this Profound.js instance solely as Profound.js. and now it is completing the installation. Now you can see that Profound.js has completed its installation process. Over on my browser, I'm using Chrome for this example. I went to the following URL, idev, which is my system name, :17568, which is my port number, /IDE/ to open up the Profound.js IDE and begin developing applications. Now, to start building your API, under the Home tab, select New Workspace. I'm just going to name this Test API. Description, Test, Create, and within the Test API folder, I'm going to select New again and API File. Now you can start using the low-code steps to building your API. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.